Healthy morning all of you. I am Bhavna this side, and today I am going to demonstrate one power packed salad in front of you. Now when I am using the term power packed, that means this salad is going to give you instant energy and it is very nutritious. And the name of this salad is colorful lettuce beet salad with sesame seeds. This salad can be used as an accompaniment during your dinner time, lunch time, and as your evening snacks. As we all experience that after working for long hours, we all feel hungry, especially during evening time. And we have become habitual of eating unhealthy snacks like uncle chips, kurkure, etc. So it will be wise on your part to replace those unhealthy snacks with this healthy salad, which will not only satisfy your hunger, but it will give you much needed nutrients as well. So let's quickly look at the ingredients, what all has been included for this colorful lettuce beet salad with sesame seeds. Now the first ingredient is iceberg lettuce. This lettuce, it is available in big stores and it might not be available with a local vegetable seller. Now these leaves, they are low in calories and they contain the high water content. So it is ideal to be used during the summer season, and I have used this lettuce to prepare the base of the salad. Then I have taken boiled beetroots. I have pressure cooked 2 medium sized beetroots for 5 minutes, and after boiling them I have chopped them into fine slices. Now it is rich in iron and it is very rich in potassium. So ideally it can be taken by people who are suffering from high blood pressure. They can include beets daily in their salads, or they can have beetroot juice also. Then I have taken 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are the rich source of fiber and they provide healthy fats. Then I have included zucchini. I have sauteed zucchini with few drops of olive oil, and zucchini is rich in vitamin A. And vitamin A, it is a much needed nutrient during these corona times, as it keeps our respiratory infections at bay. So now I am explaining how we have to prepare this salad. First, I'll spread these lettuce leaves in the salad bowl. You can use any kind of bowl that is available at your place. Now I will spread beetroot pieces. Now this salad is going to give you a very appealing color, and as kids don't like to have salad as it is, I think by seeing the color they will definitely enjoy having it. Now I'll just spread 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds over the beetroots like this. So you can see how well the contrast goes. Now I have taken this 100 grams of zucchini and I'll place it here. So likewise I have placed zucchini pieces, and lastly I am garnishing it with cherry tomatoes. Again, depending on the shape of your bowl, size of your bowl, you can select the number of cherry tomatoes to be placed. I have prepared this dressing. This is 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, and I have taken 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So I'll mix this lemon juice in this olive oil, and this is a mixture of salt and black pepper powder. You can add it according to your taste. Stir it well, and now we will pour this over this salad mixture. So now this salad is ready to be served. Enjoy this healthy salad, and I think it will be liked by everyone. Thank you. Namaskar.